right, boys and girls, I'm going to go through with you what to do in this folder for week 4. So you should be in week 4. This is 2 days worth, and it is due the 23rd. So, of course, we have our discussion first. So go ahead and open up to it. It says, look at the picture below. What item has more mass, the apples or lemons? Explain your reasoning. I also have your sentence starter. And then you have your rubric down here, and then your pictures of what you're going to answer. They want to know which one has more mass, the apples or the lemon. And then you also have your audio recording, which is going to play this question for you as I have read it.
Look at the picture below. What item has more mass, the apples or lemons?
Okay. So after you finish that, you then have your watch your lesson, so your lesson with me. I'm teaching into it. Then we have our Another Way, your other video in Pearson to show you how to solve those. Then you have your anchor chart, which is step 4. This is another one from what we used on the date before. Then you have your independent practice. So here on your independent practice, it says on a separate piece of paper, you need to solve number 1 through 14. So as it goes through, number 1 through 14. Then when you're finished with that, go ahead and input your answers in the quiz. So you'll have 5 questions here. Now these TVs, just like the day before, it's going to read your questions and your answer choices for you. Just go ahead and hit play.
Olivia put 220 grams of nuts in a bag. Then she added more nuts.
And so forth. So those will play the questions and read the questions to you for every single one of those. All right, then go back out. When you're finished in inputting your answers, then you are complete with this folder.